Hi guys, Carspar 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. For this one, we got another special car in front of us. Now I know that a lot of you collectors out there have been looking for this one. But I know, and many of you guys already found this casting already. And for me, I finally found on the car that I've been searching for. Right for months. The Porsche 934.5. Hey, in fact, this is the final. This is the 8th and final car for set 3 of the Hot Wheels Ultra Hot series. And I believe it's been over a year. And this Hot Wheels revived the Ultra Hot series. And today, we're going to unbox this one and get a closer look at this beautiful looking Porsche. Well then, here we go. Alright, I got it out. Now before I continue on with this video, I also pick out 3 other cars from the Ultra Hot series as well. With me, I got the entire set. And for series 1, 2, and 3. And hopefully, we have to find all of the Ultra Hot cars that I have so far. But what I'm gonna do, let's take a quick look at the Porsche. This one right here. Take a look at that one. And the paint job on this one, very beautiful. And I'm glad that these wheels on there, they're 90s style wheels. They're like the original Ultra Hot cars. Yeah, you see right there, playing on the hood, on the side too, number 68. And he goes, that's the year this Porsche was made in. And it's dark orange. Oh, on the body style. And you see those details on the front? The headlights, looking good to it. Even the Porsche logo. However, this is the only Ultra Hot car that does not have details in the rear. The only thing we can see in the rear is the Porsche. Or I should say, the word Porsche on it. But we all know these Porsches have these big wings on them. This is a track car. And overall, what a beautiful car. Well, you guys, that's it for this one, and hopefully I'll be able to search for all of my Ultra Hot cars. Maybe I might do a special Ultra Hot tournament with them. Anyway, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one, you guys. See you soon.